Hey everybody, thanks for watching. If you like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell where you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. We're back out here on the auction site where Rebel Auction Company is going to have the auction January the 26th. You can follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. All of us under the same name, Gerraldfarms. Here's an Easy Trail Model 500. Here's a 9500 John Deere Combine. Here's a Massey Ferguson feed mill. It's a New Holland 650 baler. There's a little John Deere 5205, a 522 loader. Massey Ferguson 165. Alright, here goes a big one. 8360R. Let's go up in it and check it out. Oh yeah, this thing still smells new. I reckon we could make hay with this. Y'all a little look around. Never been in a big John Deere before. I like it though, it sets good. This is for all y'all green power people out there. Here's a 8370R. We're gonna come back to it in a few minutes, y'all. Here goes a Ford 5000. There's a drill. And there's a John Deere cotton picker. Here's a John Deere 4255. Couple feed troughs. Water pump, heater, spreader. New Holland disc mower. 617, a lot like our 616. Here goes a Case 330T square baler. That one looks pretty old there. Never seen one quite like that. Appalachian Creep self feeder. Got some rust, the bottom's rusted out in spots. Yeah, it's in pretty rough shape. Here you go, farm off. Fanatic. The chainsaws just for you, buddy. I don't know what they are. Alright guys, let's go up here and check this 8370R out. Got good rubber on it too. Well, I don't think we're going to check this one out, guys. I believe it's locked. Well, we can't get into 8370. It's locked. Well, I tried to get into 8370R to show y'all inside, but it was locked. Let's walk around it.